So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video will be very interesting video. This video will be very interesting video because today I am going to talk about that storytelling means spoken English with storytelling. So first I will tell you a story. The story's name is Sono Mono. Yes guys, I know that you know the whole story, that what is Sono Mono, what happened in the story. I always try to tell you that what happened in the story, what are Sono Mono and why and there. But today will be interesting. Today I change the Sono Mono. Yes guys, today I make the story Sono Mono means the three little pigs very longer. I give it starting and ending and also lot of things, new sentence. And I also change some new sentence and also I put some new sentence also. So the three little pigs, we always hear in the real story Three Little Pigs, it is like a unrelated. It has not a starting, it has not a ending. Like there were three little pigs, Sono Mono and another. The first story, now I am going to talk about my story. I make the story longer on. I make Three Little Pigs very longer. I put some also new characters and also new many things. So let's start this video. Let's start this story after this small intro. So now guys, I want to tell you that in my story Sono Mono, in the Three Little Pigs longer story, there are 5 characters. Yes guys, there we can see 5 characters. The farmer, the Sonu and Monu and Gonu, and in the last the wolf. Sono Mono is like always there in the Three Little Pigs, and the wolf also normal. But the farmer is new. The story, the whole story of the farmer. So let's start this story. This story is very interesting story. Always try to remember that. Always try to hear the every line. Hear clearly the story because every line is important for us. So once upon a time, there was a villager, a farmer, lived near a very big and dark deep forest. And he lived in his house, a small house, and near the house there also a field, a paddy field of the farmer. Means the paddy field means the farm of paddy. And one day he always do so many hard works in every day. Every time he just do hard work. Every time he just think about his future. So one day when he just wake up in the morning, when he just started work in his farm, he work for lots of time, and suddenly he had a thought in his mind. He said to himself that when I go, my friends, when he go to any other friends in any other farmer house, he always saw there are a animal. They keep a pet in their house, like cows, and also goats, cows, pigs, and also lot of things. So he also had an idea that he also want to keep 3 pigs. He always thought about the pigs. He really want to keep some 3 pigs. So for this he decided to do hard work every day, every morning. For this he wake up in the morning, he just do hard work in his farm, in his paddy field, day and night every time. And then when everything was just sorted, everything was just going simply, one day when he saw that the paddy are growing very long, they grow up very long, he take all the paddy and he happily go to the market. He sold all of his paddy and get lot of money. With the money he go to the market and he entered a pig shop. He saw lot of pig, but he chose only 3 pigs. He came to his house and then he named them Sonu, Monu and Gonu. First pig is Sonu and then other is Monu and the last is Gonu. He was also very happy and the pigs also very happy. But one day he thought about that how, in which place they live. For this he just think about a pig house. But in that time he had not so much money, and he just think about that for this he'll make as normal house for Sonu. He go to his paddy field, he takes some like waste of paddy and also some branches of trees. He came back to his house like in a moment, in some minute, in some hours, he make a straw house for Sonu. Then Sonu is very happy. He laughed at his brother that, you see, I have a straw house. The farmer make a straw house for me. So Monu and Gonu feel so sad in that time, but they did not share the sadness. After some days later, when the farmer gets some lot of money, he go to the market and buy some sticks, some wooden sticks, and he came back to his house and build. He take 2 days. After 2 days, he built a very, not very strong, not also very smooth. It is like a middle strong house with the help of the sticks. And then Sonu and Monu is very happy. They laughed at Gonu. They said that you have no house, you are alone, we have houses. He has the straw house, I have the stick house. But Gonu did not say anything. He just live his life. He did not notice in that. He just sit. And then after a month later, after 2-3 months later, when the farmer sold all the paddy of his farm, he go to the market again. He buy some bricks, some cement, some rods to build a house for Gonu. He came back to his house. He just do hard work many days, like 2-3-4 day gone. After 2-4-3 day gone, he made the house of Sonu. Not Sonu, he made the house of Gonu, the last moment. And this house is very strong because it is built by bricks. And then Sonu, Monu and Gonu was so happy in that time. They just live simply in their life in their houses. The farmer also happy and Sonu, Monu, Gonu also happy. They live separately one by one. But one day, this is the very interesting part of the story. This is very important for the story. One day, like a twist came, a villain came to this story. When the farmer one day went into the market to do some work, suddenly the wolf entered in the farmer house. He saw the pigs' houses and also he saw all the pigs in their houses. He quietly go to Sonu's house, means the straw house. He knocked at Sonu's house. He said, Sonu, open the door. I want to eat you. The wolf is very hungry. He is very big and bad wolf. He just knocked Sonu's house and he said, hey Sonu, get off the house. Open the door. I want to kill you. I want to eat you. I am very hungry. But Sonu was very sad in that time. He was very frightened in that time. He did not open the door. Then the wolf said, so okay, he got very angry. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So the wolf huffed it and puffed it and he blew Sonu's house down. And then Sonu suddenly opened the door. He ran to Monu's house in the streak house. The wolf also came to the streak house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed it and he puffed it and he blew also Monu's house down. And then Sonu and Monu was very frightened. They ran to their brother Gonu's house. And then the wolf came to Gonu's house also. He said that I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed it and he puffed it. But he could not blow Gonu's house down because it is built by bricks. I always say, built by bricks, it is so strong. Built by cement, bricks, rods and also lot of things. But the wolf just try again and again. But he could not blow Gonu's house. Suddenly their farmer came. Farmer saw the wolf and he take a very big stick and he started killing to the wolf. And the wolf is very bad condition, like a dead condition. And then he ran and went away in the forest. And from this day, Sonu, Monu and Gonu live together in the red bricks house very happily. They eat together, sleep together, dance together, play together, and they are also very happy. Farmer also happy and his 3 pigs also happy. So this is called a happyful ending, happyful starting story. So when we make a story very longer, we also feel so interesting, and the audience who saw you, they also feel so interesting. So always try to read a story and try to explain a story and try to make it longer. Give it a base, give it a new interesting things in the story. So always remember that this is the way of spoken English. And now guys, this story also has a moral. You can see first, the farmer make easily the Sonu's house, straw house. One day later he make the streak house. Means that I say you that streak house is not very smooth, not very strong. It is like a middle hard. And in the last, when the farmer do lot of hard work, spend lot of days in the big and strong bricks, then the wolf can't break the brick house. So always remember, if you want to do something, do everything for it, struggle for it, do hard work for it. For this you can do it very big better. So always remember, do good for others, it will come back in unexpected ways, and don't waste time to prove it. So now guys, I think that I have to end my video. So if you like this story and if you like the topic, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. To a great mind, nothing is little. Thank you.